Alright guys, well I just ordered a cord for this because it's how it's all cracked. So we just pulled this out of the truck. This is an old 2900R. And I love these radios. I don't know if the new ones are made as good as these. I think there might be a problem with the radio here as far as like not being able to change a few things. But this is a great radio. 75 watts. No fan. Just a big giant barbecue heatsink. So it's just a really nice radio. I've had two of them. This thing's been in the truck for a couple years. But it's been in this truck for about 4 years, and then it was in the other truck for probably another 2 years. Some of these will say made in Japan, some of them will say made in China. I haven't found that there'd be any like real difference. But like they're just really nicely painted with this like wrinkle finish. They're kind of hard to get to back here. You need to make sure you got them good. Anyway, there's a 2900R, and I found a replacement microphone with like really good reviews. For $12. There are tons of these microphones, all with super good reviews on Amazon. So I'll put a link to the one I just ordered. If you're looking for a microphone for one of these, if you're having this problem, I'll put a link to it. Thanks for watching.